I'm going to try to eliminate advertising in the new tab page, which for me is the home page in the Avast Secure Browser. Now there's a drop-down menu which says Remove, and that gets rid of them. Now the question is, if I close it, will it come back when I reopen the browser? So let's close this, and then let me reopen the browser. After reopening the browser, that advertising is still gone. I'm going to do one more thing, and I'm going to restart the computer and then reopen it and see whether it comes back at that time. I've restarted the system, and I will now restart the Avast Secure Browser and see whether or not that advertisement comes back. Well, as far as I'm concerned, once you get rid of it, that's it. It does not come back, at least not on my system. I'm running Windows 11, the latest beta version.